This video is adding real numbers, and when I do this handout in class, I normally will have already completed the first couple of handouts on adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers the previous day, and then I come back and I use these next 5 problems here as a review the following day. So if you want to do these first 5 problems here, pause the video, do those, and then come back and check your answers. If you're pretty confident in your ability to do addition and subtraction of positive and negative numbers when you're only having 2 numbers, then go ahead and go on to problem number 6. Okay, there are your answers for the first 5 problems. All right, problem number 6. I have -5 plus 3 plus -1. So I'm going to do the order of operations, add from left to right. So I'm going to add the -5 and 3 and get -2. And then I have -2 plus -1, which is -3. Now I'm going to stick another example in here. Let's say I have 49 plus 18 plus -49. Now instead of doing order of operations where I'm adding from left to right, I'm first of all going to use the commutative property of addition, which means I get to move my numbers around. And you may not need to actually do this by writing it down. You could probably just do this step in your head and put the 49 and -49 together, and you know those are going to cancel out to 0. And then you have 0 plus 18, which is just 18. And this is a lot easier to do than trying to add 49 and 18 in your head and then coming back and subtracting 49. Okay, problem number 7, I'm going to use my order of operations where I'm going to be adding -3 and -2 because those are in parentheses. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, I do what's in parentheses first. So I add -3 and -2, I get -5. So 9 and -5 is +4. Problem number 8, again, doing the order of operations. I do what's inside the parentheses first. So I'm going to bring down this -3, bring down the plus sign, and then I'm going to add what is inside these parentheses, doing this from left to right. So -2 plus 8 is 6. So now inside my parentheses or my brackets, I have 6 plus -1, which is 5. So then my final step here, I have -3 plus 5, and that's going to give me +2 for my answer.